lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now.
Hello you guys, I'm Notty. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also please don't forget to follow me on my social media. The link is always in the description box. So you guys, I decided to start this vlog, guys. Yes, lento ngikhuluma manje nalento yenzeka manje, it's like sekuyenzeka before. Am I the only one onaleyo nkinga leyo ukuthi kube ngathi into oyenza ngaleso sikhathi sekuyenzeka before? But anyways, never mind that. But yeah, as I was saying, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also please don't forget to follow me on my social media. The link is always in the description box. And guys, I decided to start this vlog ngoba, excuse me, one thing about wine is a child. I'm just drinking a white wine right now, and yeah guys, I'm just going out, kinda, I'm not sure, but I'm just going out. What am I saying, Mina? But I'm going out for drinks, one round though. And yeah, it's Sunday and the weather outside is just not cute. I'm just gonna show you in a second. And guys, how's my hairstyle? I did this hairstyle. This is my natural hair, by the way. And how's my hairstyle, you guys? I think this hairstyle is one thing about my child, my cool, but you know what? And I love that. Angiyiboni namadlebe amancane, if I'm being honest. I just love my ears. Zinkulu impela, but ngiyayithanda, yeah, ngiyayithanda.
Everything you're going through is preparing you for what you ask God for. You just got to quit tripping while you're in the process, because the process is necessary. You may not see it now, but when he gets you on the other side of it, you're going to see exactly why it went that way, and you're going to be okay with it. But quit tripping during the process. Oh Lord, why me? You ain't the only one.
So guys, if you didn't know, this is my favorite alcohol, HEINEKEN. Child, I'm so happy. Let me open this baby over here, guys. HEINEKEN, guys, yabo impatho la, you guys. Child, impatho eglista, you guys. I'm so happy. Let me open this box. Hello you guys, I hope you guys are doing good. By the way, I'm just my favor. If you know, you know. You guys, I wanted to show y'all this cute package that I got from Maybelline. Yeah, Maybelline, child, I know that's right. By the way, I'm wearing ingubo. As you can see, I'm naked, like I'm wearing this cute pink dress. And yeah, you guys, I wanted to show you all this thing, and I got cute lipsticks from Maybelline. I know that's right, child. And it came in this plastic, and inside that plastic was this thingy. As you can see, you guys, Maybelline New York. I'm so happy. They sent me these cute 4 lipsticks. Oh, I'm so happy, child. And yeah, you guys, this is the first one, color number 978, and it looks like that. It's cute, you guys. And the second lipstick is this one, color number 65, and it looks like that. So cute. The smell, you guys, the smell, yo, it's like I'm a kid, it's like I'm a cake, I'm a sweetie, like yeah. I'm not even kidding, you guys. And the third lipstick is this one, color number 72, classic, the red lipstick. And these lipsticks are so cute, you guys. I won't even lie. And I think I'm gonna create a video for Instagram. If I'm gonna leave it here, or maybe please follow me on my Instagram to see that video. And the fourth lipstick is this one, color number 76, obsessed, child. And I don't know if I should try it now, or maybe I think I'm just gonna create a video for Instagram. But for those I'm gonna follow you on Instagram, maybe let me try these on camera. Yeah, guys, I don't know, there's something wrong with my eyelashes. But anywho, let's start with this one, 970, 80. Oh, this is cute. I mean, you guys, if I'm being honest, I'm a lipstick, I don't think I'm vanilla, but this one looks like that. It's cute, yeah. Let me remove it and then put this in. Guys, I'm so sorry if the angle changed. I was just talking to my mom, so I had to give her attention, yeah. And then, you guys, this is the, excuse me, one thing about it, you guys, it will, oh, so you guys, this is the second lipstick. Let's try it. Lipsticks are not for me, no, but these are cute, shame, are creamy. The second lipstick, I'm doing this for those abangang follow you on Instagram or abangin on Instagram, yeah. So you guys, let's try this one, Vivid Hot, like I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's color number 76, obsessed, and it's like purple. This one is cute or whatever, but you guys, as I said, with me na angin umuntu ama lipstick. So let's put the fourth lipstick. This one is kind of better. I don't know, Then you guys, I phone ukusuka like ukusuka nje straight. I don't know. But let's move on. I'm gonna put this color, the fourth color number 76, classic. Lipsticks are not for me. Like, I feel like they don't suit me. Yeah. Guys, please don't mind this how it's how I'm makeup usually, you guys. I don't wanna lie. Don't wanna lie, you guys. These lipsticks are I'm getting more my lipstick, you guys, but already, you know. So you guys, as you can see, we will see. Oh, I said my foundation. As you can see, we will see these two liquid lipstick. Our gym. And you guys, there's a dress that I wanna show y'all, but I wanna take some pictures and then change. But there's a dress that I got from Citygirl, and it's so cute, you guys. It's cute as I. And then you guys, yeah, I just want to show you all that dress, but I just want to take some pictures first and then get back to y'all. And what else? Oh, you guys, let me tell you a story. Yeah, the other day, the last time I vlogged, but you guys, I'm still not sure if I'm gonna put that clip on this vlog, but if I didn't, let me tell you a story. On Friday last week, I went to a party. I was invited by my friend to her party, and then suppose enjoy. And then on Saturday, Sadula, change location, child. And then on Saturday night, if on you guys, like a camera, like a screen, Satlugana ne camera. Like if you're using Huawei P30, maybe you don't understand it, but Latlugana Kuselu Inki Pandi, Latlugana party screen, Sama Soda, Elo Yamba Yodoy. And then you guys, I fixed it. Like I was so stressed, my ears. I went to the Pakistani there by Pine Walk next to Spa Tops at Pine Town, opposite Sanlam Center or Pine Crest, wherever. I fixed a lap you guys, and then it was 1,000. Like I know it was 1,000 rand. That how bad my phone was, but I thank God. Like let me not complain. I thank God. I got all my stuff back: music, pictures, videos, YouTube, everything, Instagram account, everything. Like it's all back. But you guys, my heart was broken at that time. Shame, but I don't wanna lie. I was praying non-stop with God, please, at least I fix again. Back. At least. So guys, if in chance, please because bafethu la muntu loyana angazi noma umuntu noma yini, but uNkulunkulu ukhona bafethu, trust me, ukhona. And then I fix her on Sunday and I told her same day, because actually I lied, because that Pakistani, or let me say that guy, asked me, Uguti, can I come tomorrow, like on Monday? Can I come on Monday to fetch it? And I was like, no, I'm going to Mzindo, like as in like tonight I'm going to Mzindo, so I won't be able to fetch it tomorrow. And was like, okay, please give me 3 hours. And then I came back in because really I live around Pine Town. Guys, in cleaning, I'll do the lot 3 hours. After 3 hours, actually I gave him 5 hours to be fair. And then after 5 hours I went there, and that guy is nice. So if you follow a phone now and then you are around Pine Town, and he's much more cheaper, because the other guys told me you could see 1.3, 1.2, 1.4. That how bad my phone was, you guys. But then inking as a fun game, maybe what was one, but guys, let me plug you. Yo, shame child. And yeah, you guys, let me go upstairs and then try and take these pictures, and then I'll get back to you all guys so that I'm gonna show you these braids. Okay, so guys, I think this is a better angle. It's long with my golile I know you don't see. Right now I'm just showing you all. But yeah, you guys, it's a cute t-shirt. I love it. I don't wanna lie. As I said, you guys, it was 320 rand from Citygirl. Black, size small. Yeah, you guys, yeah, it's time that I don't wanna lie. Ooh, yazayinhle. Why bro? Sawan? Ya pero ano jalan? Wow, you guys. Guys, I'm there. Hello you guys, for those abangazi ngisonta eChibini, so like hire for 30 days. It's like ukuthwasa ye, but kwaseChibini ukusebenza ngamanzi, thandaza like cause 12 ngo4 ngenkonzo ya 5 12 5 7 kanjalo like every day, like you guys. But yeah, you guys, so nje into kanjalo so yeah, hopefully ngizoba right guys, cause ngiyagula kuyasetshenzwa like high kumnandi, sihleli nezingane kula njenganami. Isketi amablo aqokwa siyasonta hlezi nje like high like ikupho kunye like makufika abantu bezohlola ngihamba nogogo nje guys. The process abanye bengeke baze ba understand it, but I just wanted to update y'all in everything. Not everything, I know this nginkonzisi konke, but logo na logo nje guys. But I feel good, ngifeel nje peace, like I feel connected noNkulunkulu nabantu bakithi. Like mina guys, ngingumuntu wamanzi, ngosazana yamanzi, and I'm not ashamed.
Wasili wapi? Ai! Yeah, shoot. Shoot me, Nana. Shoot you. Eesh.